Hi friends, once again KT Sir is here from the channel Karthik Tuitions. In my previous video, we had discussed about cube. Now in this video, we are going to talk about right circular cylinder. Let's first have a look at daily life example of right circular cylinder. See, here is a road roller, and if you observe, the roller wheels are cylinder in shape. The next is candle. It is also cylinder in shape, and even the pipes. Now let's have a look at a geometrical figure of right circular cylinder. Now here, if you just observe, it has three faces, where it has two circular faces. सर किधर देखो, एक ऊपर और एक नीचे, एंड वन सर्क्यूलर फेस. सर वो कैसा है, देखो ऐसे. दिस इज योर कर्व सरफेस which is also known as circular face. So basically it will have three faces and it has only two dimensions. Now since the top and the base is circle in shape, it has a radius and both the radii will be equal. Hence any cylinder has the radii and the height h. Now both the circle has an equal radius, so they are denoted by r, and the distance between the center of the two circle face is denoted by h because it is a height. So here our height is nothing else but the distance between the two center of circular face. So this is our height, and height is always perpendicular to the radius. Now let's have a look at a formulas related to right circular cylinder. Now first we are going to talk about curved surface area of a cylinder. थोड़ा complicated है, so please pay attention. Now see, I have taken a rectangular sheet of length L and breadth B. Now I'll try to fold this rectangular sheet in this way, so it should look like a cylinder. देखो कैसे होगा, पहले इसको ऐसे लो और फिर roll कर दो. Now if you observe, the rectangular sheet is formed in an open right circular cylinder form. I hope you can correlate it. Now observe this. Here our radius is r and h is the height. We are going to talk about area of a sheet. Now area of a sheet is nothing else but curved surface area of a cylinder. Sir ये कैसा है, ये नहीं समझा. Let's have a look at it. Now when I say area of a sheet, what is a concept that will be equals to the curved surface area of a cylinder? But what is the shape of a sheet? It is rectangle. And what is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So first we write L into B. That is equals to curved surface area. Now if you try to correlate, the length of the rectangular sheet is nothing else but the circumference of the circle of a cylinder. देखो, the length is equivalent to circumference of the cylinder. And what is the formula to find the circumference of any circle? It is 2 pi r. So instead of length, we are going to write it as 2 pi r. Now if you compare the breadth is nothing else but the height of the cylinder. सर कैसे, देखो ये अपना cylinder है. Now if I lift the rectangular sheet and keep it backside it, you will be able to see that breadth is nothing else but the height of the cylinder. So in other words, instead of b, we are going to write it as h. So your curved surface area of cylinder is nothing else but 2 pi r h. I hope I am clear till here. Now let's move to the next part, that is total surface area. Now ये थोड़ा easy है. Sir कैसे? Total surface area means what? The curved surface area plus the area of two circular face, that is base and top. Now curved surface area का फॉर्मूला तो पता है क्या है, 2 pi r h, तो वो लिख दो. Now here if you observe, there are two circular faces, so basically it is 2 into area of one circular face. Now what is the area of one circular face? It is pi r square. So here I can write 2 into pi r square. Now दोनों में कुछ कॉमन आएगा क्या, देखो. Yes, you get 2 pi r common. So when we take 2 pi r common, the bracket में आएगा r plus h. So the total surface area of cylinder becomes 2 pi r into r plus h. And the last part is our volume. Now what is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder is nothing else but the capacity of the cylinder. अच्छा, इसका भी हम लोग ने कॉन्सेप्ट लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस किया था. Basically it is area of base into height. Now when I say area of base, cylinder का base क्या है? Circle. What is the area of a circle? It is pi r square. So here area of base can be written as pi r square, and height is denoted by h, so it is into h. So basically volume of cylinder will become what? Pi r square h. So that is the volume of cylinder. I hope you have understood these formulas. Now let's have a look at few sums. Radius of base of a cylinder is 20 centimeter and its height is 13 centimeter. Find its curved surface area and total surface area. नाउ देखो, एक सिलेंडर की बात की है जिसका रेडियस कितना है 20 सेंटीमीटर and height कितना है 13 centimeter. Now check, are the units same? Yes. Now what they have asked us to find? They have asked us to find the curved surface area. Now what is the formula? याद करो, it is 2 pi r h. Now pi value is given to us as 3.14. We have to take the value of pi what is given in a sum. If it is not mentioned, then you can take the value as per your convenience. But here it is mentioned 3.14. So next step पे substitute करते हैं. So it will become 2 into 3.14 into 20 into 30. So now here 2 into 20 will become 40. 40 into 3.14 into 30. Now 13 fours are 52. So it will become 520 into 3.14. Now 3.14 can be done as 314 upon 100. 10 will get cancelled. So multiply first 52 with 314. Now when you do that, you will get this as 16328. You will get 16328 upon 10. We don't need to simplify. Since in denominator we have got 10, we have to just place the decimal in the numerator. Now कितने zeros है? एक zero है. तो राइट साइड डिजिट पे फर्स्ट डिजिट के बाद तुमको डेसिमल डालना है. सो बेसिकली हियर द आंसर विल बिकम 1632.8 and it will be centimeter square because we are talking about area. So your final answer will be what? 1632.8 centimeter square. Now let's go to the next part. The next part is total surface area. Now when I say total surface area, तो formula क्या है? 2 pi r into r plus h. So here basically it is 2 into 3.14 into 20 into 20 plus 13. Now here 2 into 20 becomes 40. So it is 40 into 3.14 into 33. Then 4 into 33 will give us what? 132. So it is 1320 into 3.14. Now here we can write 3.14 as what? 314 upon 100. देखो एक जीरो तो कट हो गया और कुछ मत करो. Now what? We have to just multiply 132 with 314 upon 10. So here it will become 41448 upon 10. Now again, since 10 is there in a denominator, we have to put the decimal from one digit before from the right. So here it will become 4144.8 centimeter square. So the final answer will be what? Total surface area of cylinder is 4144.8 centimeter square. I hope you have understood this sum. Let's move towards one more sum. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 1980 centimeter square and the radius of its base is 15 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. अभी देखो सिलेंडर के बारे में क्या क्या पता है अपने को. एक तो उसका कर्व सरफेस एरिया दे दिया है. कितना दिया है? 1980 centimeter square and the radius is given to us as 15 centimeter. Now check, are the units same? Yes. They have asked us to find the height of the cylinder. अभी हाइट फाइंड करने के लिए हमारे पास क्या डेटा है? कर्व सरफेस एरिया. तो कर्व सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या है? It is 2 pi r h. So let us substitute the values. It is 1980 is equals to 2 into pi का वैल्यू क्या दिया है? 22 upon 7 into r कितना है अपना? 15 into h. Now सबसे पहले h इकडे बाकी सगळं तिकडे. So here basically it will become 1980 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 15 is equals to h. Now let's simplify. See here, 2 ones are 2 990s are. Then 990 and 22 is divisible by 11. So 11 twos are 11 nines are. So it becomes 90. Now here again h is equals to what? It is 90 into 7 upon 2 into 15. Now we can reduce this. It is 3 5s are 3 30s are. Then 5 ones are 5 6s are. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So 7 3s are 21. So basically the height of the cylinder is 21 centimeter. Let's look at one more sum. Now this sum is related to your daily life experience. So have a look at it properly. The diameter and the length of a roller is 120 centimeter and 84 centimeter respectively. To level the ground, 200 rotations of a roller are required. Find the expenditure to level the ground at the rate of rupees 10 per square meter. सबसे पहले क्या दिया है? द डायमीटर एंड द लेंथ ऑफ अ रोलर. तो अभी रोलर कैसा दिखता है? ऐसा कुछ दिखता है. अच्छा, जो उसका रोलर है ना, उसका वो लोग ने अपने को क्या क्या दिया है? एक तो अपने को डायमीटर दिया है और उसका दूसरा क्या दिया है? लेंथ. नाउ हियर व्हेन वी से द डायमीटर इज 120 सेंटीमीटर, सो रेडियस कैसे मिलेगा? डायमीटर अपॉन 2, so it will become 120 upon 2. Now 120 upon 2 will give us 60 centimeters. So the radius of the roller is 60 centimeters. Now, if you observe, the rate is given in a meter. So we have to convert this centimeter into meter. So it will become 60 upon 100 meters. Now the length. Length यानी क्या? अपने लिए height हो जाएगा. So height of the cylinder is given to us as 84 centimeter. Now this centimeter also has to be converted into meter. So it will become 84 upon 100 meters. Now see, here let's understand one concept. They are talking about rotations. Now what exactly the rotation means? See, I have taken the roller. Let us say that roller is touching the ground at point A. Now I push the roller. Now when I do that, I keep that pushing it till the same point touches the ground. Now here the roller has completed one rotation. And if you observe, in one rotation, the area covered by the roller is nothing else but one circumference. So basically area of ground press in one rotation is equals to area covered in one circumference. So basically area of ground press in one rotation is nothing else but one time the curved surface area of a cylinder. So अगर 200 rotations लिया है, so we have to multiply by 200 to get the area covered in 200 rotations. Now here we have to first find the curved surface area. Now here first we'll talk about area of ground press in 200 rotations. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? Basically it is 200 into curved surface area of a roller. So 200 into 2 into pi r h. So it will become 200 into 2 into pi. What is the pi value given? They have not given. So we can take it as 22 upon 7 into r. What is the r we got? 60 upon 100. And h we got it as 84 upon 100. बस अब तो खाली सिंप्लीफाई करना है. It is very easy. सबसे पहले तो देखो, दो zeros कट हो गए. So we got it 2 here. Now then, next, 1 0 will get cancelled. After that, 7 ones are 7 12. So basically we get 2 into 2 into 22, that is 88, into 6 into 12, that is 72 upon 10. Now here again, if we just simplify this, it will become 6336 upon 10, that is nothing else but 633.6 meter square. अच्छा, ये तो एरिया हो गया. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द एक्सपेंडिचर टू लेवल द ग्राउंड. अभी वो कैसे मिलेगा? सी द कॉन्सेप्ट इज व्हाट? इट इज रेट इनटू एरिया. अभी रेट तो अपने को दिया है, कितना दिया है? 10 रुपीज पर मीटर स्क्वायर. सो इट इज 10 इंटू एरिया कितना है अपना? 633.6. नाउ व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 you get the answer as rupees 6336. So basically the expenditure to level the ground at the rate of rupees 10 is how much? Rupees 6336. I hope you have understood this sum. Let's look at one more interesting sum. The inner diameter of a well is 4.20 meter and its depth is 10 meters. Find the inner surface area of the well. Find the cost of plastering it from inside at the rate of rupees 52 per square meter. देखो रेट में क्या दिया है? रुपीज 52 पर स्क्वायर मीटर. वापिस रेट को देखोगे ना तो मीटर स्क्वायर दिया है, यानी कहीं तो भी अपने को एरिया का बात कर. So let us understand this sum first. Now inner diameter of a well. So this is our well and depth is given to us as 10 meters. So depth यानी ये दिया. Height is 10 meters. Now the inner diameter of a well is 4.20 meters. Now for that we'll take the help of top view of a well. Now here inner diameter के लिए अगर ऊपर से देखोगे तो ये तुम्हारा 4.2 meters है. So here inner diameter is given to us as 4.2 meters. Now we have to find the cost of plastering it from inside at the rate of 52 per square meter. अभी क्या लॉजिक है कॉस्ट फाइंड करने का? इट इज बेसिकली रेट इनटू इनर कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ वेल. सो बेसिकली अपने को सबसे पहले इनर कर्व सरफेस एरिया फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। रेट तो अपने को भगवान की दया से दिया हुआ है, जो मेहनत करनी है वो कहां करनी है, इनर कर्व सरफेस। नाउ व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ सिलेंडर? इट इज 2 पाई आर एच, जिसमें से एच है हमारे पास, बराबर है, क्या नहीं है, आर नहीं है, बट फाइंड कर सकते हैं। हाँ, कैसे? डायमीटर दिया हुआ है ना। इफ द डायमीटर इज गिवन टू अस एज 4.2 meters, we can easily get the radius. Why? Radius is what? Diameter upon 2, so 4.2 upon 2 will become 2.1 meters. Now let's first find the inner curve surface area. So that is 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi, we can take it as what? 22 upon 7 into 2.1 into 10. Now here 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21 upon 10 into 10. देखो 10 10 कट हो गया, 7 1s are 7 3s are. So basically we get 2 into 22 into 3, that will give us nothing else but 2 into 22 is 44, 44 into 3 will give us 132 meter square. So your inner curve surface area is 132 meter square. Now let's find the cost. Cost कैसे मिलने वाला है? As I told you, inner curve surface area into rate. So basically 132 into the rate given is 52. बस ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, कितना आंसर आएगा? 6864. So the cost of plastering it from inside is rupees 6,864 only. I hope you have understood this sum also. Let's move toward one more sum. A cylindrical wrapper of flat tablets is shown. The radius of the tablet is 7 millimeter and its thickness is 5 millimeter. How many such tablets are wrapped in the wrapper? अभी देखो ये wrapper है जिसका diameter दिया है और height भी दिया है. Now, if the diameter is 14 millimeter, can you tell me the radius? Yes, it is diameter upon 2, so it will become 7 millimeter. Now let's go back to the question. The radius of the tablet is 7 millimeter. तो tablet भी तो cylinder form में ही रहेगा, because ये देखो wrapper cylinder form में है, तो ये ऐसा कुछ दिखना चाहिए. Now यहाँ if you observe carefully, the radius is given to us as 7 millimeter and the thickness. अभी जो ये thickness है ना, that is the height. So here h is 5 millimeters. And we have to find how many such tablets are wrapped in a wrapper. सर उसका मतलब सपोज मैं एक एक करके टैबलेट ये wrapper में डालना चालू करता हूं, तो मुझे फाइंड करना है मैं कितनी टैबलेट्स ये wrapper के अंदर रैप कर पाऊंगा. I hope you have understood the question. Now logic is very simple. To find the number of tablets that can be placed is nothing else but volume of the wrapper upon volume of each tablet or one tablet you can say. Now दोनों का शेप तो सेम ही है. कौन सा है शेप? सिलेंडर. तो इसमें कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा. So let's start. Now for cylindrical wrapper, see the height is given to us as 10 centimeter. If you observe, the data is given in two forms, millimeter and centimeter. So we need to convert the centimeter into millimeter. Now that will become 100 millimeter. Now diameter is given to us as 14 millimeter. Diameter को से अपने को क्या मिलेगा? Radius. So first we'll find the radius. Now radius is diameter upon 2. So 14 upon 2 will become 7. Now let's talk about the tablet. Now see, understand one thing. दोनों का solid shape same है. To make ourselves convenient, I am using capital H and capital R for mentioning the values of wrapper and small r and small h for mentioning the values of tablet. Now here for cylindrical tablet, they have already given us the radius as 7 millimeter and the height, that is thickness, is given to us as 5 millimeter. So as we know, the number of tablets is nothing else but volume of wrapper upon volume of each tablet. So let us substitute the value. What is the formula to find the volume of a cylinder? It is pi r square h. तो यहां भी वही होगा, बट नीचे क्या आएगा? pi and small r square into h. Now pi pi gets cancelled. Now capital R का वैल्यू क्या है? 7 millimeter. So r square means 7 into 7 and capital H का वैल्यू क्या है? 100 millimeter. So it will become into 100 upon small r का वैल्यू क्या है? 7 millimeter. So r square will become 7 into 7 and small h का वैल्यू क्या है? 5 millimeter. So into 5. Now 7 will get cancelled. This 7 will get cancelled. 5 1s are 5 20s are. So how many tablets can be placed in that wrapper? The answer is 20. So 20 tablets can be placed in that wrapper. I hope you have understood this sum. Let's look at one more interesting sum. A metal parallelepiped of measure 16 centimeter into 11 centimeter into 10 centimeter was melted to make coins. How many coins were made if the thickness and the diameter of each coin was 2 millimeter and 2 centimeter respectively. थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग समय. Let's start. Now see, metal parallel pipe कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Now they have given us the length, breadth and height. Sir, आपको कैसे पता? 16 centimeter into 11 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So our L is 16, B is 11 and H is 10 centimeter. Now it was melted. उसको गर्म करके मेल्ट कर दिया गया. अभी जब मेल्ट करोगे तो लिक्विड बन जाएगा. अभी उस लिक्विड से वो लोग ने क्या बनाया? कॉइन्स बनाए. एक कॉइन नहीं बनाया, बहुत सारे कॉइन्स बनाए. अच्छा, बेसिकली आपको कॉइन का शेप पता है? Yes, it is cylinder. Remember, it is cylinder. So few coins were made from that metal parallelepiped. Now here we have to find how many such coins were made. अच्छा, डेटा क्या क्या दिया है? देखो, each coin का थोड़ा वैल्यूज दिया है. इसका डायमेंशन 16 by 11 by 10 है. अच्छा, each coin का thickness यानी height is given to us as 2 millimeter. And diameter is given to us as 2 centimeter. So radius is what? Diameter upon 2. So the radius becomes 1 centimeter. Now here, first understand, metal parallelepiped है वो कौन से शेप में है? Cuboid. So basically to find the number of coins, the logic is volume of cuboid upon volume of one coin. So let's start with the sum. For metal parallelepiped or metallic cuboid, our L is 16 centimeter. Your B is 11 centimeter and H is 10 centimeter. या तो तीनों का यूनिट सेम है. देन डायमीटर जो दिया है अपने को कॉइन में वो भी सेंटीमीटर में, बट अगर थिकनेस देखोगे ना तो मिलीमीटर में, तो कन्वर्जन आने वाला है. नाउ हियर डायमीटर इज गिवन एज 2 centimeter, so radius will become 1 centimeter. As you all know, diameter upon 2 gives us the radius. Then the thickness, that is nothing else but your height, is 2 millimeter. Now we need to convert this into centimeter, so it becomes 2 upon 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the number of coins, and the logic is what? Volume of cuboid upon volume of each coin. Now what is the formula to find the volume of cuboid? It is L into B into H upon volume of cylinder is pi r square H. Now here since 2 H are involved, so हम लोग ने coin के H को H1 note किया है. Now let us substitute the values. So here it will become 16 into 11 into 10 upon pi. We will take it as 22 upon 7 into r, that is 1 into 1, and H1 is our 2 upon 10. Now let's simplify further. So it will become 16 into 11 into 10 into 7 into 10. अच्छा, डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आएगा? 22 into 1 into 1 into 2. So basically it is 22 into 2. Now simplify करना है, बहुत easy है. See, 11 ones are 11 twos are. Then you can reduce this further. 2 ones are 2 fives are. Then 2 ones are 2 eights are. So basically it is 8 into 5 into 7 into 10. Now 8 into 5 is 40, 40 into 7 is 280 into 10. So it will become 2800. The number of coin form is 2800. I hope you have understood this concept as well as some. If you are enjoying my video, do share it with your friends. Also like, share and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.